Have you ever felt paralyzed by fear, gripped by anxiety, or yearned for a sense of inner peace that seems elusive? We all crave qualities like fearlessness, confidence, and the ability to experience joy instantly. It's as if there's a hidden treasure chest within us waiting to be unlocked. Well, guess what? Today, we're not just scratching the surface. We're diving deep into the profound secrets that reside within you, secrets capable of transforming your life. Stay tuned as we embark on a journey to unveil the power that can guide you through life's challenges, a power you might not even know you possess. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to your channel. I'm your guide on this transformative journey. Today's topic is something that resonates with every one of us: the quest for overcoming fear, banishing anxiety, and achieving that inner peace that seems like a distant dream. Picture this: qualities like fearlessness and confidence, not as distant aspirations, but as something already within your grasp, waiting to be harnessed. I've personally experienced the yearning for a sensation that could instantly make me whole, and I'm sure many of you can relate. In today's exploration, we're delving into the idea that the kingdom of God is within our reach. However, our eyes are often clouded with tears, our ears dulled by confusion, and our minds weighed down by doubts. How do we clear this fog and tap into the innate power within us? The answer lies in opening our spiritual eyes, listening with our inner ear, and embracing the often overlooked law of life. Life flows through everything, and once we connect with it, we'll witness a shift in focus and energy that can lead to profound transformations. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey within yourself? Buckle up as we uncover the secrets to overcoming fear, cultivating confidence, and achieving inner peace. Envision a life where fear is not a paralyzing force, but a challenge waiting to be conquered. Picture confidence flowing through your actions effortlessly, becoming as natural as breathing. Envisage happiness not as a distant goal, but as a constant companion, an immediate experience coloring every aspect of your existence. These aren't just fleeting desires, they are echoes of a profound truth that resonates within us all. Even figures from history, like Jesus, grappled with uncertainty, yet they overcame doubt, leaving behind a timeless lesson. The latent power to unlock our potential resides within the core of our being. It's a call to recognize that fearlessness, confidence, and happiness are not distant dreams, but inherent qualities awaiting exploration within the intricacies of our own selves. Even though the kingdom of God is readily accessible within us, our vision is obscured by the trials and tribulations of life. It's akin to navigating through a dense fog, where tears, confusion, and doubts cloud our sight. To pierce through this obscurity, we must consciously open our spiritual eyes, allowing us to see beyond the immediate challenges. Listening with our inner ear involves fine-tuning our senses to the subtle whispers of life, acting as a compass guiding us through the maze of uncertainty towards a place of clarity. Embracing the law of life requires a conscious acknowledgement of the pervasive force that permeates every facet of our existence. As we forge a connection with this life force, a transformative shift takes place in our focus and energy, aligning us with the profound essence of our being. Your thoughts are not mere fleeting notions, they are the architects shaping the reality you experience. Redirecting them from a mindset of lack and self-doubt to one focused on positivity and abundance is the key to transforming your life. Recognize that within the grand tapestry of life, you are a thinking center capable of weaving a narrative that aligns with your desires. By consciously aligning your thoughts positively, you activate the creative intelligence within you, setting in motion a series of events that influence the circumstances of your life, bringing them into harmony with your deepest aspirations. Embracing the law of life involves a deep identification with your aspirations. You don't merely observe your desires from a distance, you become an integral part of them. By aligning your thoughts and desires, you assume the role of the master of your destiny. Train your mind to consistently focus on what you aspire to become, envisioning your desired reality with unwavering clarity. This intentional shift in mindset serves as the catalyst for a profound transformation in your life, ushering in a newfound sense of freedom and joy that permeates every facet of your being. Miracles are not fantastical occurrences, but the organic manifestations of aligning with the fundamental principles of life. Your secret desires are not whims, but the universe's way of hinting that you are destined for greatness. The empowering revelation here is that you don't need to possess the wisdom of a philosopher or the knowledge of a scientist to unlock your inner power. Each thought you have is a utilization of the law of life, a force that operates in every aspect of existence. By consciously harnessing this power, you have the ability to gradually erase the effects of past mistakes, opening the door to a brighter, more fulfilling future where your inherent greatness can unfold and flourish. In conclusion, the journey to unlocking your inner power is a profound exploration into the depths of your being. As we've navigated through the concepts of fearlessness, confidence, and happiness, drawing inspiration from historical figures like Jesus, it becomes evident that the potential for greatness lies within each of us. The accessibility of the kingdom of God within may be clouded by life's challenges, but by opening our spiritual eyes, listening to the whispers of life, and embracing the law of life, we can undergo a transformative shift in focus and energy. Your thoughts, recognized as the architects of your reality, wield immense power. Redirecting them from self-doubt to positivity, acknowledging your role as a thinking center in the grand tapestry of life, sets in motion a cascade of events that align with your deepest desires. Embracing the law of life involves identifying with your aspirations, becoming the master of your destiny, and consciously shaping your mindset for a profound transformation. Miracles are not supernatural occurrences, but the natural outcomes of aligning with the law of life. Your secret desires, whispers from life, affirm that greatness is your destiny. The empowering realization that you don't need to be a philosopher or a scientist to unlock your inner power is liberating. Every thought is a utilization of the law of life, offering the opportunity to gradually erase the effects of past mistakes, paving the way for a brighter and more fulfilling future. Thank you for embarking on this transformative journey with us today. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more content on personal development and self-discovery. Remember, the power to transform your life resides within you. Until next time, take care and continue exploring the limitless possibilities that await within your own being.